Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need to act now. Toggle airplane mode off and check the Wi-Fi switch in Settings Network and Internet. Next, open Device Manager and look for the wireless adapter. Enable it if disabled. If the adapter is missing, make sure you have admin rights and plug in a USB Ethernet adapter so Internet access remains while we fix drivers. Once done, restart Device Manager View and continue. This avoids delays and lets you reinstall or roll back drivers with a live connection available. Now focus on the core repair. Right-click the wireless adapter and choose Uninstall Device, check Delete Driver Software if present, then use Scan for hardware changes to force reinstallation. If the adapter doesn't reappear, use Add Legacy Hardware or Run System Checks. SFC/Scano and DISM to repair corrupted system files. Make sure to download the exact OEM driver from the manufacturer using your Ethernet connection, then install it. Once installed, reboot so Windows can initialize the adapter properly. Finish by restarting your PC and checking Quick Settings and Settings Network and Internet for the Wi-Fi option. If it still does not show, perform a network reset from Advanced Network Reset. This reinstalls all adapters and returns settings to default. Make sure to reconnect Ethernet first, then reboot. If the problem persists, use System Restore to roll back to a date when Wi-Fi was working. This can undo driver or update changes that remove the option. That final step often resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.